Hey guys, this is Dave, Lost Farms Homestead. So if you're subscribed to our channel, or if you just follow us on YouTube, you probably noticed that we haven't put out a video in a little while. I'm gonna explain right now. So it's kind of funny what happened. So we're moving some stuff around, and the hard drive that we have that holds all of our information on it, all of the videos, all the intros, everything that we use to edit and post all of our videos, fell onto the ground off of one of the desks, and it was irreparably damaged. So we have kind of pretty much, except for what's available on YouTube, we've kind of pretty much lost everything that we had. And I've figured out a way to use some software to go back and pull some clips from the existing stuff, and I've gotten some of it situated so that we can post again. So we'll be posting again, and it'll be going. So this video right here, this is a video that we did about a month ago on September 1st for the dove hunting season. So that's what we're doing right now, and then going forward they'll be current after that. So there's going to be a small chunk of missing videos, and I apologize. It's been technical difficulties. So yeah, so here's the dove hunting episode. Enjoy, stick around, we'll be posting more. Thanks. Hello Lost people, it's Dave from Lost Farms Homestead. It is Friday, September the 1st, which means that it is the first day of dove season. So we are going to go out and shoot some doves today. So this ought to be fun. And Noodle's happy to be awake. So, alright, I'm going to get some coffee. It's about a little after 6 in the morning right now. I'm gonna get some coffee and get ready, and we're supposed to meet up here in a little bit, so stick around, go get some doves. Thanks. So we're out here, and looks like there's plenty of doves, so this is how we rolled out. And we got some people out here with us, and oh, missed one. All right, I'm gonna get to it. Stick around.
Where are you gonna post it?
5. I'll show you where it's at.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
That's a wing.
That's it. That's what we got. We got 25 birds.
25 birds.
But that's all of us together.
Yep. Oh, it's got to be though, because what's the limits? 15?
15 per.
15. Nice. 25 birds. All right, so we're out here this morning doing some dove hunting, and this is what we got out here. So yeah, it's pretty good out here this morning. You can hear the gunshots, the gunfire going off. I already got 2 this morning, so I'm gonna set up right over here, and we'll see what we can get. Stick around. Thanks. Too far.
This is my lucky spot right here. That's why.
Well, I got the camera going, so
Oh, so can I see me?
make sure. Yeah, you can see. Just make sure we're in this area here. Watch your window.
Just saying, don't put my real name.
Got all the water in there. That guy's too far.
Come in. You get him. Ooh, I thought you had him.
George. Oh wait, watch out here.
Going down.
I'm gonna camp over here. Get him out of this line. There's no one down there, I don't think.
Yeah,
Three.
explain this on YouTube
3.
so like don't say it.
Three birds and another day I already lost one. Over here. Your window's gonna be right here. Right there, really. A nice big window.
Yep. Nice.
But that's gonna be your window. Just like that shot I just took.
Yeah, it was a
That's
good
your
shot.
window.
It's too low. All right, so I'm taking a break. We're about halfway through here. This is where we're at right now. Yeah. Gotta have the coffee in the morning. So I'm gonna get something cold to drink because I'm all coffeeed out, and then we'll get back to it. Stick around. Thanks.
Alright, you guys have a good one. Head home. Later, brothers. Thank you so much. See you around. Sounds good. Dig it.
George. Where's George?
He's right here.
Oh.
Nice!
Hey!
Woo! Attaboy! You got that one out.
Nice.
Say no. We eat them. Good.
I just shot a bird. I literally did it.
Nice.
That one got lost in the bush. That's 3 I've lost in the bush today. All right.
It landed. I have one shot.
Keep seeing them fly in right over here, but there's a guy right over there, so I can't shoot in that direction. So I got to stay on this side over here. We'll get some more.
Oh my God!
Yeah.
Talk to me, bro. By the what? By the water.
Yeah.
By the bird. It's the bird and the water.
One shot, one kill. Alright, so we've cleaned these up. We got these all cleaned up right here. And we got the process. We're gonna flour them, and then we're gonna do an egg bath. We haven't got it set up yet. Bread them, and they go in here, but we're gonna wrap them with bacon, and then they get cheese and jalapeno. And then we're gonna roll them up and stick them in here. Actually, we're gonna deep fry them first in the oil. We haven't got that set up yet either. And then they bake for 20 minutes. And then they're, what is it, dove poppers? Dove poppers. So we're gonna get that going, and we'll get you some videos. Stick around. Thanks.
Yeah.
20 minutes in the oven. Yes, sir. Finished.
Do you need some bread? Okay. Your diet. Sounds good. Are you good?